What you're about to see is GARCEX running inside a real Microsoft 365 environment. No separate application. Everything your employees do, they do in tools they already use every day. Let's walk through the full employee experience. Every Tuesday morning, employees receive a GARCEX check-in, micro-coaching content that builds the habits and language of psychological safety. This is not motivational filler. Psychological safety research consistently shows that employees who feel they can be honest at work without negative consequences report higher engagement, lower turnover and tension, and better mental health outcomes. Engaging with that message earns a well-being credit. Private, visible only to the employee. The biggest single barrier to voluntary participation in well-being programs is perceived futility. 2 weeks later, the employee receives a survey invitation. 5 evidence-based questions drawn from psychological risk frameworks. The questions target hazard categories, role clarity, workload, autonomy, manager support, and psychological safety. Behind the scenes, something more significant has already happened. The system has aggregated all anonymous responses and sent the dataset directly to the GARCEX organizational psychologists and subject matter experts. This is where GARCEX becomes fundamentally different. The expert receives the anonymous dataset directly and they begin their assessment. After reviewing the dataset, the GARCEX expert opinion report is completed. They identified the risk signals and recommend concrete actions that leadership can act on, and this document is defensible. A plain language summary is sent over to the leadership team and the report attached. GARCEX builds a trend picture that no single survey can provide. Months of fortnightly data showing not just where the organization is today, but the direction it is moving. This is the difference between a tick box wellbeing program and a system that drives real measurable change.